boiled chicken breast. Mix it, girl. Mix it, mix it, mix it. It's your time to shine, chicken liver. Put your oysterific oyster sauce. Put 1 piece of Knorr shrimp cube. Let it melt. Let it melt. Put some of your chicken broth. Cover it and let it simmer. Put your mini corn. Mix it with love. Ready your cauliflower and add them on. Next would be your freshly sliced carrots. Add your snap peas. Next would be your cabbage. You will also need the green bell pepper and the red bell pepper. Add the mixture of your water with cornstarch. This will thicken the sauce. Sprinkle some ground black pepper. Add a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Then it's finally ready to serve.